Islamic art from the eighth month of 1446. Prohibition may enhance art. Beyond permission, some still act. The written word is our expression and dart. Natural representation is found in the abstract. Fantastical messages carve and mold their paths. Woven thread is no longer such an indication of wealth. Material superiority is still used in expression of health beyond blasphemy. And this poem references calligraphy, carpets, how some kept the rules, how some broke the rules, how if they broke the rules, it might not be the same as blasphemy.